Okay? Yung pang-apat natin na topic is hiring managers interviewing skills. So meron akong isang post na nag-viral recently, no, yung sabi ko, a wrong hire will not be corrected by training. Lalalim po yung intindi nyo doon sa sinabi ko na yon if you attend this training. It's going to be on August 4, 8 a.m. to 5 p.m. via Zoom, no? At yung rate po ay pare-pareho. Okay? Why did I include this? Kasi maraming problema ang pwedeng maiwasan if the people in charge of making hiring decision know how to do it better. No? Kasi mahal ang ang weak hiring decision. It has an impact on business, no? Matagal bago matuto yung mga taong hindi bagay doon sa trabaho kung matututo man. Quality issues and rework, mas kailangan ng closer supervision at saka syempre kung masipag ka, alam mo yung ginagawa mo tapos yung mga kasama mo sa trabaho ay hindi, it lowers the team morale and trust, di ba? So, nasasayang din yung ginastos sa sourcing and onboarding. Nagkakaroon paulit-ulit na lang yung vacancies, medyo nakakahiya na, no? Parang yun yung hinahire mo na position. Poor candidate experience. Oo, ngayon pa naman ang mga candidate, pag hindi maganda ang kanilang experience during the interview, hindi na sila tumutuloy. So there's now more pressure on the HR and line managers. So weak hiring process is expensive, okay? And kung tatanggalin mo yung empleyado, you have 6 months, for example, during probationary period, para tanggalin yung empleyado, malaki na yung nagastos mo by that time. Malaking investment na yun na sayang. When we hire candidate, we look at different aspects, no? Yung fit with the boss, alignment of values and work styles between manager and candidate, yung culture fit, or culture add, yun yung bagong termino na naririnig ko ngayon. Dati, culture fit, how a candidate's values and work style align with the company's or team's culture. And recently, naririnig ko yung culture add. Ibig sabihin, paano dumadagdag sa culture ng iyong team yung iyong bagong hire. You have location fit, no? Lalo na ang tindi ng traffic sa Pilipinas. At saka ngayon, may mga candidates tayo na syempre ang gusto ay either hybrid or work from home. And naulit ba yung job fit? Nahuli pala yung job fit. Job fit is the match between the candidate's competencies and the requirements of the job. So yung apat na yan, pwede palang mangyari na may job fit, pero kung yung tatlo ay may problema, ay hindi rin tatagal yung empleyado. Oo. So maganda na alam natin kung paano natin i-evaluate itong mga bagay na ito. And I will teach 4 types of interviews at paano siya gamitin during the interview, paano mag-evaluate. So fact-finding, technical, critical thinking, and behavioral or competency-based interviewing. And then we will walk you through the job interview process. Magpa-practice po tayo kung paano mag-conduct ng job interview. So yan po yung coverage ng ating pang-apat na program.